So in the static design techniques, one of the factor is walkthrough. Let's discuss about what is walkthrough. So it's not a formal process. Okay. So one thing I want to tell you is that do not require to remember all this stuff. Okay. So what you require to remember is what are the informal, what are the static design techniques. One is informal review, walkthrough, technical reviews, and inspections. Okay. So if you see these four, if you see, it's almost similar to one another. Okay, with slight difference. Okay, but all are nothing but reviewing the code by somebody. Okay, a developer is making sure that reviewing his code by somebody. That's it. So let's talk about walkthrough in the static design techniques. It's not a formal process, and it is led by the authors. Authors are nothing but the developers who write the code. Okay, it is led by the authors. Authors guide the participant through the document according to his or her thought process to achieve a common understanding and to get the feedback. Okay, so what he does is, so he'll just explain. Okay, so he just go through the code, he'll open the code. Okay, and he will just explain the code step by step, okay, to the participants. Okay, and try to gather the feedback from the participants. Okay, these participants can be anyone. They can be you know there can be from his peers, or there can be from his management people, or whoever it is. Okay, and it is very much useful for the people if they are not from the software discipline, who are not used to or cannot easily understand software development process. Is especially useful for high level documents like requirement specification, etc. Okay, so during the walkthrough, so walkthrough can be very much helpful for explaining the requirement specifications. Okay, or any high level documents. In that case, it will be very much useful. And not only that, and a developer can also explain his code. Okay, he can explain the code. Okay, this is how it will be. The code is modularized like this, and this is how the code works. Okay, this is how the flow goes. Okay, you can explain it, so it is easy for others to understand. Okay, even they are not from software discipline.